Hi everyone, hope you're all doing very well. I just wanted to create a quick video on specializations at the IIMs because lately I've been receiving comments wherein people have been asking which specialization did you pursue while you were doing your MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. And while reading those comments, I felt like probably some people are not aware that there are no specializations at the IIMs when it comes to their flagship PGP program. So the PGP program is just a general MBA program. So when you get your final degree after graduating from an IIM, there is no mention of marketing, HR, finance, consulting, anything like that on your degree. And now a genuine question that a lot of you may have is that how is it that people end up writing on their LinkedIn profiles that they've done MBA in marketing from IIMs? If there are no specializations, how can they write that? So, in order for me to address that, I'll have to share with you something about the PGP program that you may not be aware about. So, this program equips you to handle any managerial position. So, the institute would never claim that you are only equipped to handle the marketing function. So, in the 2 years, the courses that you get to study are varied. In the first year, you get to study 40 courses and they are from diverse functions. So you get to study courses from marketing, HR, finance, operations, strategy, PM tech, everything in the first year. Everyone is supposed to study that, so they are mandatory for us, which means that in the first year itself, we become equipped enough to handle any managerial position going forward on the basis of the knowledge that we get from these functions. But in the second year, we have the option to bid on these courses. So we are allocated a couple of points on the basis of a lot of criteria, which I'll probably highlight in another video. But this bidding process allows us to pick the courses of our choice. So in the second year, we have a pool of courses, probably 20 odd courses from each function. And then we have 100 plus courses out of which we can select the courses we would want to study. But in 100% cases, everyone ends up choosing courses from multiple functions. So we'll have a mix of courses, probably some from marketing, some from HR. It's impossible for a person to get all the courses of one particular function because often there are clashes in the timetable of these courses. So you will definitely see people having more number of courses from a particular function. For example, in my second year, I had most of my courses from marketing function. But then I also had a couple of courses from HR, from strategy, and the other functions. This is the point that will help you in addressing that question that how do people end up writing a pseudo specialization on their LinkedIn profiles. So in whichever function they've pursued most number of courses from in their second year, they end up writing it on their LinkedIn profiles. So for example, as I've done most number of courses in the field of marketing, I can actually write MBA in marketing on my LinkedIn. But it's not a claim made by the institute in any way. And this information also has some impact on your internships and jobs because sometimes you may have these questions like, does your past academic background have any impact on your summer internships? So, let me address these kind of questions in this particular slide. So, if you're wondering if this is the case, then you can be rest assured. Even though your past academic background can help you in getting internships from a particular field, it's no hindrance in terms of switching fields. So, if you probably come from a finance background and you're wondering if you can get a marketing internship after getting into an IIM, then certainly you can. There's no one stopping you from doing that. Similarly, if you have, let's say, done an internship in the field of marketing in summers and you feel like you probably didn't like the field and you would want to switch to some other field in the final placement, you're wondering if that's possible, then that's also possible. I had a lot of friends who pursued marketing in their summers but ended up getting consulting in the finals or vice versa as well. So it's definitely possible. And the same holds true for your job after you've graduated from an IIM. So let's say that you got a job in the field of marketing, but then you're probably not liking the job after graduating and you're wondering, can I switch to general management or HR or maybe even consulting in the long run? Then that's definitely possible. A lot of people also switch their jobs after graduating from an IIM. So, what should this tell you? This should tell you that even when getting into an IIM, you need not have that clarity on the specialization you would want to pursue. Because you see, even after getting there, you can switch during internship or during jobs or even after graduating. So why do you need to know in advance what you would want to pursue when you can experiment with that during your summers? And especially the professors who are taking your interviews are aware about this, which is also why in none of my interviews I was asked this question as to which specialization would you want to get into, because they also know that there are no specializations. It is good to have that information if you know what you would want to do. For example, before my interviews, I had that inclination towards the field of marketing. But if you don't have that, it's okay. You can still answer the why MBA question with better reasons like growth prospects or challenging jobs or learning experience rather than things like specializations. So this is the only point I wanted to address in this video, that you don't really need to have that clarity in advance, because the PGP program that you get to do from the IIMs actually equips you to handle any managerial position going forward. So that's why people end up getting into sports management or the entertainment industry, for which we probably do not have any dedicated course at the IIMs. But the only reason people are able to handle those positions is that the managerial positions, all of them require the capabilities that the PGP program intends you to provide. So, hope this video helps a couple of you, especially people who probably did not have that clarity. And I would like to close the video by sharing that since I did not have my laptop with me, I could not make the video in the format that you are used to seeing. But I hope the information still stands useful. Would request your feedback in the comments so that I can further create more videos in the same format going forward. And thanks for watching it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.